Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the meaning of anticipate. We'll dive into its core definition, exploring how it signifies expecting or predicting something before it happens. Understanding this word is crucial for effective planning and preparation in various aspects of life. It highlights a proactive approach, allowing you to be ready for future events rather than reacting to them. This foundational knowledge will set the stage for deeper insights into its practical applications. Moving on, let's explore the nuances of anticipate. While similar to expect, anticipate often carries a stronger sense of preparation or action. Think of it as foreseeing an event and taking steps in advance. Synonyms include foresee, predict, and prepare for. It implies a degree of certainty or a high likelihood, perhaps 80% or more, that something will occur, prompting you to act proactively rather than passively waiting for an outcome to unfold. Now, let's see anticipate in action. In daily life, you might anticipate traffic, allowing you to leave 10 minutes earlier for an appointment. In business, project managers anticipate potential risks, developing contingency plans to mitigate them. This proactive approach is vital for smooth operations and achieving goals. By anticipating challenges, you can prepare for 2 or 3 different scenarios, leading to significantly better outcomes and fewer surprises in the long run. Finally, let's consider the benefits of anticipating. It leads to a state of preparedness, reducing stress and the likelihood of negative surprises. When you anticipate, you're not just hoping for the best, you're actively shaping your future. This skill enhances decision-making, allowing for more informed and strategic choices. Ultimately, embracing anticipation can improve efficiency by 25% and foster a greater sense of control over your circumstances, leading to more successful endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.